So let me bring you up the Morse code, right? I want you to say something to chat in Morse code, okay? So for instance, if I wanted to write hi, it would be this. Ready? Oh, oh. See? That's hi. So now you write something in Morse code. Oh yeah, so the dashes are... That's a dash. A dash is a long one. So say something to chat now. What did you say? I have no idea. I can't hear the beeps. So someone else will have to translate. Someone else figure it out. Right, let's do some Q&As, preferably questions about Tommy. What are people saying? Someone said Pog. Someone else... Oh my god, what was it? Hello? What are they saying? CVM, you said apparently. Oh, no way! Did you say come?